Hi guys, so my instasmile veneers finally came. To be honest with you, I've already tried them in my mouth and stuff like that. They came yesterday. I literally just wasn't in any condition to make any videos for TikTok, so today I'm going to review them for you guys. They basically come in that wee box and they come like this, really nicely packaged. They came in a wee bag as well, but obviously I took them out the bag. So this is my normal teeth. Excuse me. My normal teeth are a riot. I never looked after them at all when I was younger. So instasmile kindly sent these to me. I just want to say a huge thanks to these guys because these have majorly changed my life already. They've made me feel a lot more confident in myself when I smile, just because I never used to smile ever because my teeth were like yellow. So but yeah, I'll put them in for you and I'll get back to you. I'm actually just going to show you guys me putting these in because why not? So I think they're actually amazing. I don't even know how to smile yet, so because I never smile. Bottom teeth. So they're so comfortable. I'm still kind of trying to get used to the talking. I still get a wee bit of a lisp, to be honest. But yeah, I rate them, man. I think they're class. It's made me feel so happy. Honestly, man, if you're so insecure about your teeth and you're looking for something cheap, well, no cheap but affordable, £250 for top, £250 for bottom, £500 all in, it's definitely worth it. Don't shave down your teeth and go and get crowns and stuff like that. I definitely recommend instasmile. Yeah, I'm so happy,